So if two cards are drawn from a pack of cards, then find the probability of getting at least one club. So here remember, at least one club is asking. Now we know that there are 52 cards in a deck of cards. So these 52 cards, we have to draw randomly two cards. So the two cards, in the two cards there should be at least one card should be a club. Means two can be also club. One, minimum one or maximum two. What is the probability is asking. So we know that in 52 cards there will be 13 clubs, 13 spades, 13 hearts, 13 diamonds. So but now we have to concentrate only on these 13 clubs. So he is asking, so minimum and the maximum that two cards must be maximum clubs only, means the two must be clubs, or at least one club. The remaining card can be any of these spade, heart or diamond. So now what is a favorable events in the favorable outcomes? Here it is, the first card can be club, second card can be club. So we own. First card can be club, second card can be a spade. First card can be a club, second is a heart. First is club, second is diamond. So in all these cases, the probability of getting at least one club is satisfied. So that means the probability of the favorable events is all these things. Now what are the total outcomes? 52C2 is how many ways we can choose two cards from the given 52 cards. Suppose in a box, in a pack of these 52 cards, two cards we have randomly drawn without saying, looking at into the pack of cards, two cards drawn. How many ways you can draw? 52C2. Now what is N of A? How many ways we can choose? What is the probability is? The first card, first choice, both are clubs, can be done in how many ways? 13C2 ways, because 13 clubs will be there. In that 13 clubs, two clubs can be, how many ways we can choose is 13C2 ways. Plus this is a favorable, and these are all these three also favorable, because at least one club is it. One club, other card can be any other. Okay, if you choose any one spade and one heart, it is not possible. That is not satisfies the given condition. One head and one diamond not satisfies. Two spades not satisfies. Two heads also not satisfies. Two diamonds are not satisfies. He says that at least one club, means there must be one club. The other card can be another. So one club, one spade, okay. One club, one hedge, okay. One club, one diamond, okay. Two clubs also okay. So two clubs can be how many ways? 13C2 ways. One club and one spade, one club and one hedge, one club and one D can be done how many ways? Because these three are 39 cards total. How much will be? 39. So out of these 39, first card will be how much? From these clubs. So that can be done how many ways? 13C1 ways. The remaining card can be any of these, spade, heart or diamond. So can be done how many ways? 13C1 ways. So therefore all this will be 13C2 plus 13C1 into 39C1 is a favorable outcomes probability. Therefore probability of happening the event is 13C2 plus 13C1 into 39C1 divided by 52C2. This after simplification, 13C2 is nothing but 13 into 12 by 2. This is 13C1 is 13, 39C1 is 39, and 52C is 52 into 51 by 2. We know that NCR is n factorial by r factorial to n minus r factorial. That way if I simplify, this much will be there. Okay. Now hope if you want I can write here, NCR means n factorial. We know that NCR means n factorial into r factorial into n minus r factorial. That way after simplification I'll get like this. Now this after 13 into 6, 13 into 39, 26. From this I can simply, if I want I can simplify. 13 you take common from this. I'll write here if you want. 13 if I take common. 13 if I take common, what will be remaining here? 6 plus 39. In the upon 26 into 51. Okay, now 13 how many times it goes here? This 13 if I cancel here, it will takes here, oh sorry, why this much we can cancel like this? 13 we can cancel here and 2 times it goes. Okay, again you take 2 common here. If if I take again 2 common, it will be 3 plus 13 by 2. Okay, here something went right now, I suppose. Oh, sorry, this I should, after taking 13 common, 6 plus 13 and 13 will go 2 times. I should take 3 here. This is 3 if I take here, this will be 2 plus 13. Then it is 2 into 51. That will be 3. How many times goes in 51? It is 17 times. So 15 and it is 2 17 the 34. This 3 will cancel here. How many times? 17 times. Therefore 15 by 34. Hope you understood. We'll stop here. Oh, got it.